I'm just so appreciative for Ray for opening up her home and opening up her home. What's your name? Racheal. Shh. And see, y'all think this video, YouTube, and work from home life is easy. I can't even record. Hey y'all, it's your girl Ayana, and I want to welcome you back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome to the channel. So as you all know, I just got back from a very much needed vacation visitation to our hometown in Philadelphia. So if you have not checked out those vlogs, you know what to do. Link above. Hit it, view it. A part of that time was us being in Atlanta for just the day before and the night of our flight out to Philadelphia. And while we were in Atlanta, we visited my cousin Racheal at her home in East Point. So while I was there, I did a collaboration with Ray. Ray is a makeup artist. Y'all can follow her on Instagram at ISimplyBeatFaces. I'll definitely leave her deets below. During this time, she gave me a tour of her home, beautiful home, a tour of her makeup beauty room, and of course she beat my face. We also had a nice little chat, little discussion, impromptu interview. You know, just so I can get to know how she got on this journey better, what inspired her to become a makeup artist, what are some of her favorite products to use, what are some of her trends that she hates, that she like, and it was a good chat. I don't have too much footage from her beating my face because we went live on Facebook, and I'm going to leave all her information below so that you can see the amazing job she did live. You can watch the live feed in her Facebook group at ISimplyBeatFaces. It is a public open group. Go see this live video because it was so good. It's a little long. Wasn't expecting us to beat her that long, but we were so comfortable chatting, getting my makeup done, interacting with all of her viewers that it was dope. It was truly dope. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys a little clip, our little intro that Ray and I started to do. And from there, I will show you a little slideshow of the makeup job that she did on my face. It was absolutely amazing. Today we have Ray here of ISimplyBeatFaces, and she beat my face. Thank you, Ray, so much.
You are very
welcome. You want to tell everybody about your business?
Yes, I am a fashion and beauty blogger. You can find me at The Dean of Fashion and Beauty. That is on Instagram and Facebook. And I also do business as ISimplyBeatFaces. You can also find that on Instagram and Facebook as well.
She's located in Atlanta, yes. So all y'all in the A, hit her up.
And I do full faces for $50, and it includes lashes. So first I'm going to go in with a brown. I don't know what color this is. Might be like Sketch from MAC. This whole palette is MAC. I went in and made it my own.
Oh, nice.
Because at the time, like I said before, I had 40% off, so I was ODing. It's like, ooh, let me get one of those. And at the time, I didn't have a house. I didn't even think I had an apartment yet, or at least the rent one, what I was paying here. So I was just showing off. So yeah, I'm going in with the brown. I pray that nobody was leaving out their house looking like that. If so, they don't have any friends.
I
didn't like it. There's a few times I've seen it and it looked okay, like as far as like an artistic,
right? And
I can see like a photo shoot perhaps, but yes,
I know.
Outside of that, yeah, no. I love the cut crease. I want to learn how to do one like with precision. That looks amazing, and I've seen it done, you know, really well. I've seen it done not so well.
You know what this is what I was saying about learning different faces. Learning how to do a cut crease with a folded lid.
Yeah.
Like I looked at
that might not be a face that you can do on.
Exact. No. YouTube. I looked on YouTube. Somebody did do it.
So it must be illusions making it look like it's one that really isn't. Yeah.
Exactly.
But that would take some level of skill, and I think you would have to have mastered a regular cut crease to create a fake one. just lacking self-esteem, then this isn't going to be the cure-all for that. But I love it. I mean, it's like an accessory to me. I like that I can...
I like that. I never heard anybody say it's like an accessory. Yeah. That's so true. We about to make a quote. No, it really is. Like, you can't... Like, sometimes I feel like this morning I just put on powder. But I was like, I need something. Like, I can't just go out.
So it's kind of like, all right, some people like earrings and necklaces and, you know, whatever. But, like, for me, as long as I got some eyebrows... Where's he going to go get milk from?
No, it's in the car.
Oh.
Like, we bought the whole canister.
Clean up stuff. But I just think it's too runny. I prefer the cream.
So what she used was the cream, and it's like more flexible. Like she's able to like put it where she wants it.
Right, and it stays.
And it stays.
Just pops in like Legos if you got the tackiness right.
So I had a blow dryer to my eyelashes.
I want to buy one of those.
So if you are in the Atlanta area and you're looking for a makeup artist to beat your face, I highly, highly recommend Ray of I Simply Beat Faces. Thank you so much for watching this video yet again. Your commitment to my channel, to subscribing, to viewing means everything to me. And I will see y'all again in the next video. Peace out.